The commonly used suction method for pulp molding high-quality products is flipping suction molding. The so-called flipping, as the name suggests, means that the suction mold will have a flipping action. This forming method also forms the initial form of the product through the action of vacuum and mold mesh. It's just that its suction mold is immersed in the slurry tank in an inverted manner. After the suction is completed, flip it up and leave the slurry tank. Then transfer the formed product to the transfer mold. During the process of mold overturning and rising, the slurry will quickly flow out and return to the slurry pool due to the presence of gravity, significantly shorten the time difference at the end of each local suction of the product. Ensure that the thickness and density of each part of the product are uniform and consistent. Higher product quality and greater ability to assign values.